In this guide, we're going over how you can build decks here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, building a deck is super simple once you do understand the 8-card deck formula, which will help make sure that your deck is both balanced for offense and defense. First, every single deck is going to need a wing condition. It's the main card that damages towers. Some popular examples are going to be something like Hog Rider, Royal Giant, or Balloon. Next, you're going to need one tank or one mini tank, and these are going to be cards that mainly absorb damage and protect your other troops. For example, you have like Knight, Valkyrie's a really good one, or Ice Golem. From here, also go ahead and get yourself a Tank Killer, which is a high damage card, which is used to stop enemy tanks like the Giant or Golem. For example, Mini Peck is a good one, Hunter's a good one, or Inferno Tower. But your deck should also have 2 spells minimum. One light spell like, Zap or Log, or I like to use Barbarian Barrel for this. And also one heavy spell, which is what I like to use, freeze for, but something like Fireball or Poison for stronger units is good as well. You're also going to need anti-air defense so that you can handle flying troops. Cards like Musketeer, Baby Dragon, or Minions work pretty well. You should also have a splash damage unit to deal with large enemies, such as Bomber, Wizard, or Valkyrie, and I also use Barbarian Barrel for this as well. Finally, also add a utility or cycle card, and these are just going to be cheap cards like Skeleton or Ice Spirit that'll help you rotate through your deck a little bit quicker. In the current meta, decks also get stronger with evolution cards like Evolved Royal Giant or Evolved Valkyrie, which provide upgraded abilities. And many top decks are also going to include champion cards as well, which are just more cards with special abilities that could change the outcome of a match when used at the right time. You should also choose a deck style that obviously fits how you play. Fast cycle decks usually average around 2.6 to 3 elixir, while more defensive control decks average around 3.1 to 3.6 elixir and focus on counter pushing. As long as you follow this structure, you should be fine. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.